Sri Gurubhyo Namo students, welcome to our online teaching academic E-Kaleva.
Exercise 8.1 First question. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:30. Find all the angles of a quadrilateral. Here the angles of the quadrilateral is given by ratio. We have to find out the angles of this quadrilateral. We don't know that one. So let 3x, 5x, 9x, 13x be the angles of quadrilateral. So we know that one sum of the angle, all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 360 degree. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we have to add this one. If you are adding, we will get 30x. 30x is equal to 360. Therefore, x is equal to 360 by 30. 0, 0 cancel. Here 12 times. Therefore, x is equal to 12. But question they ask, find all the angles of a quadrilateral. So we consider 3x, 4x, 5x, 13x. So 3x, that is 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36 degree. Next one 5x. So 5 into 12. 5 12s are 60. 60 degree. Next one 9x. So 9 into 12, that is equal to 108. Next one 13x. So 13 into 12. 13 12s are 156. Therefore 36 degree, 60, 108 degree, 156 degree are the angles of quadrilateral. Sum number 2. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So here ABCD is a parallelogram. The diagonals are equal. We have to prove ABCD is a rectangle. So given. So what is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. And diagonals are equal. What are the diagonals here? AC is equal to BD. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. So how I am going to prove this one? Proof. Now I am going to take triangle ABC and BAD. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD. First I am going to prove these two triangles are congruent. In both triangles AB is common. Therefore AB is equal to AB. It is common. Next one, it is given ABCD is a parallelogram. We know that one in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AD is equal to BC. Otherwise you can write BC is equal to AD. Opposite sides are equal. Next one, what is given? Diagonal AC is equal to BD. Therefore AC is equal to BD. It is given. So what congruence is coming? By triple S congruence. By triple S congruence. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Now I am going to take the CPCT ABC, that angle ABC is equal to angle BAD by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But I have to prove ABCD is a rectangle. So what is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. Here AD is parallel to BC. What is the transversal? Now I am going to take AB is a transversal. AB is a transversal. So we know that property, if two lines are parallel, that sum of the interior angles of the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So we have to write angle ABC plus angle BAD equal to 180 degree, sum of consecutive interior angles of same side of transversal is 180 degree. Otherwise you can say it is a co-interior angle. So ABC plus BAD is equal to 180 degree. Here we proved ABC is equal to BAD. Both angles are equal. So ABC, so instead of BAD is also I am going to take angle ABC equal to 180 degree. If 2 times of angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle ABC is equal to 180 by 2 equal to 90 degree. So in parallelogram, one of angle is 90 degree. It is called a rectangle. In parallelogram, one of angle is 90 degree. It is called rectangle. So already given ABCD is a parallelogram. We proved one of angle is, each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. Sum number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here the diagonals are bisect at 90 degree. That is right angle. It is given. So we have to prove it is a rhombus. So in quadrilaterals, diagonals are bisect right angles, and if all sides are equal, you can say it is a rhombus. So we have to prove all sides are equal, because already bisect each other at right angle is given. So given ABCD is a quadrilateral, and the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That is 90 degree. So we have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. So how we are going to prove this one? Proof. Let us you take triangle AOB and BOC. So triangle AOB and triangle BOC. In both triangles, first I am going to prove it is a congruence. So in both triangles, which is common? OB is common. OB equal to OB. In both triangles, OB is common. So OB equal to OB common. Next one is given the diagonals are bisect. So OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. It is given. Then diagonals bisect at right angles. Right angles is 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOB equal to angle BOC. Each 90 degree. Here what congruence is coming? Side angle side. So by SAS congruence, therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC. Now I am going to take the CPCT. AB is equal to BC. AB equal to BC. This is equation 1 by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Similarly, we can prove BOC is congruent to DOC. So similarly, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle COD. So what is CPCT? BC is equal to DC. BC is equal to DC. This is equation 2. This is also by CPCT. The next triangle COD and DOE. Next triangle COD is congruent to triangle AOD. So both triangles are congruent by CPCT. DC is equal to AD. DC is equal to AD. This is equation 3 by CPCT. Next one, AOD and AOB. Triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB. So by CPCT I am going to take AD is equal to AB. This is equation 4 by CPCT. Now from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will get all sides are equal. From 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you are comparing all the sides, AB equal to BC. Then BC is equal to DC. DC is equal to AD. AD is equal to AB. In quadrilateral, all sides are equal, diagonals are bisect at right angles. It is called a rhombus. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Proof. First I am going to take triangle ABC and BAD. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD. In both triangles, first I am going to prove it is a congruence. ABC. In both triangles, AB is common. AB is equal to AB. It is common. Next one, it is given ABCD is a square. Therefore, all sides are equal, we know, in square. Therefore, ABC is equal to AD. Given. Next one, we know this one, in square, each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, angle ABC equal to angle BAD, each 90 degree. So here what congruence is coming? Side angle side. So by SAS congruence, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Now I am going to take the CPCT. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. The diagonals are equal. First subdivision we prove. Then second subdivision, what we have to prove? diagonals are bisect each other at 90 degree. So next I'm going to take in triangle OAD and OBC. OAD and triangle OBC. OAD and OBC. In both triangles, if two lines are intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Vertically opposite angles. Next one, in both triangle AB equal to AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. It is given because it is a square. Square means we know that one all sides are equal. Next one, here if two lines are parallel, the alternate angles are equal. Okay, so here I am going to take ODA. Angle ODA is equal to here ODA and OBC. OBC. So alternate interior angle. So here what congruence is coming? Angle side by AAS congruence. Therefore triangle OAD is congruence to triangle OBC. So now I am going to take the CPCT here. OA equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Now I am going to take OA is equal to OC, then OD is equal to OB by CPCT. Next we have to prove diagonals are bisect each other at right angles. Now I am going to take triangle AOB and triangle AOD. In triangle AOB and triangle AOD. In both triangle OA is common. OA is equal to OA. Common. Next one, OB is equal to OD. We prove OB is equal to OD. OB equal to OD. Prove. Next one, here in both triangles we have to prove AD is equal to BC. AB is equal to AD. Because it is a square, we know this one square all sides are equal. By triple S congruence, therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. By CPCT, angle AOB equal to angle AOD by CPCT. So next one I am going to take AOB plus AOD is equal to 180 degree. It is a linear angle AOB plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree. It is a linear pair. AOB equal to AOD. So here AOB, instead of AOD I am going to take AOB equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2 times of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 180 by 2. Cancel, we will get angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So AOB is 90 degree and AOD is also 90 degree. Therefore, we prove diagonals of bisect each other at right angles. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive latest updates. Thank you.